I was very surprised and shocked by the nightlife in Sofia, the capital city of Bulgaria, and in this video I'm going to show you what it was like on a Saturday night in the city, so you can get a flavour for what I found in the city at night time. Now, Sofia is the largest city in Bulgaria, it's the biggest city, the capital city, so I was expecting a very lively atmosphere. I was expecting lots of people to be out, but surprisingly to me, it wasn't the rowdy, loud, packed atmosphere that I kind of was expecting Sofia to be. But I've got a quick recommendation. If you click on the description of this video and go to the top link, it will take you to the G Adventures website. Now, G Adventures offer guided tours and group tours all around the world of some of the world's best destinations on all 7 continents. So you can book trips to Europe, Africa, Antarctica even, Asia, anywhere around the world. They offer guided tours and group trips. So go to the website, go to the description and check out if there are any trips that you are interested in booking. So I was expecting it to be a bit more loud, but actually a lot of the streets were very quiet. I mean, you had like busy bars, for example, like this one you can see here. You had an Irish pub which was also very busy as well because the World Cup rugby was going on and there was a rugby match involving England, so that pub was very busy. Other than that, I found the streets to be really quiet. There wasn't really much of an atmosphere, wasn't really much of a busy, lively feel. I mean, you had this street here which is called Vitosha Boulevard, which is the main high street running through the city. There were lots of people about, but as it got later and later, it was really, really quiet, and a lot of the cafes around here were very quiet as well. So what I want you to do is, if you're from Sofia or if you've been to Sofia before, and if you know some of the best nightlife places in the city, I want you to drop a comment in the comment section and tell me where the busy pubs, bars and nightlife are located in the city, because personally speaking, as I said, I couldn't really find them. So drop a comment in the comment section and tell us where the best nightlife is in Sofia and where people should go for a night out if they do come to Sofia. Or perhaps it's just a case that Sofia isn't a very vibrant city for nightlife in the first place, because I have read some stuff online where people do say that Sofia isn't the most vibrant place to be at night. And having walked around the city during the day and night, I think I would agree it's a very relaxed city, it's a very peaceful city. So if you do prefer peaceful places, then perhaps you should check out Sofia. But if you are looking for hustle and bustle and a lively atmosphere, maybe Sofia isn't the best place for that. But do drop a comment in the comment section if you agree with me or if you disagree with me, because it'll be very interesting to hear your opinions. And if you haven't done so already, please do make sure you click the like button. So click the like button, it really helps the channel, and also subscribe to the channel as well, because again, it really does help the algorithm and it helps other travelers coming to Sofia get a chance to know more information about the city, the nightlife, and what the city is like, both during the daytime and at night time. So I do hope you've enjoyed the video, I do hope this has helped, and I'll see you all in the next video.